Take command of the road in the 2013 Nissan Juke. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Nissan prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.